Sunday morning. I don't know if you can see ice, sheer ice. And yeah, this is the spot which I have shown you before, because let's say depression on the road makes the pool for the water, and then the water is splashed over onto the bike lane, cyclist lane, and now they have on that spot sheer ice. So luckily here it's not so bad. Well, it's not slippery at all, no ice. But yeah, it's cold. And Liza hasn't met Nar. So, yeah, yesterday we haven't met him. Friday, I think the Friday or Thursday was the last day. At least we have the lights on. I still don't know what was happening the previous Sunday, but we have lights on. And there is another doggo across the road on a morning walk. Yeah, this one five minutes past 6, she became very vocal in demanding that we have to go. Yeah, it's interesting. If it's minus, she demands to go. It's like -1, we have to go walk. We have to go outside, we have to go to walk. If it's +1, she's like, nah, I'm good. It's too warm. It's not enough cold for me. So we are outside. Well, at least, yeah, oh, finally. The small doggo was noticed. Oh, couple of tree branches have fallen down. Yeah, with this ice and snow, well, here we don't have so much problem. Besides some, tree limbs and oh, another. I stepped on another that I haven't seen. Branch, I mean. Okay, let there be light. We are going into the unlit area. And here usually there is something icy. So, Lizzie Pochasi. Oh yeah, there is ice. Pocha, Liza. Oh, you can see on the hood of the car some ice. Yeah, so yesterday or day before, so let's say Friday, Saturday, they started to report. Oh, you cannot see anything, pitch black. Okay, let's find the tail of Liza. Here you go, little white. They started to report of the disruption of the railway traffic due to the ice buildup on the lines. Yeah, but fortunately for us, this ice buildup wasn't so severe as in 2014, when basically whole Slovenia was affected. And greva tukaj, Lizzy. There were, you know, and of course there was a lot of snow. Whole regions, villages were cut off from the rest of the society. Čakaj, moram pogledati. Ok, greva čez. And there were, what, 2 casualties. So yeah. Okay, let's stop on this point.